The biggest mistake you can make as a creator, if you just created a new channel, is posting your videos on that channel without proper optimization. I am speaking from experience because when I created this channel, because this is my first channel, I had no idea about channel optimization. I was just posting on my channel, because I was having the mentality of how you post on TikTok. But later on, as I proceeded in my journey as a YouTube creator, I understood that it is important for you to make sure your channel is well optimized, okay, that you choose the right category for your channel, that the right keywords are in place, the right channel tags are in place, the right settings are turned on. So it is very important for you to set up your channel for success even before you upload your very first video. Currently, I am working with a faceless channel. So, what I did for this channel was I made sure that all the mistakes I made on this particular channel, I made sure it was avoided. And what I'm learning from this process is that when you set up your channel for success right from the very start, it hastens your growth. It will help you grow faster. That is why you see most creators who were able to monetize their first channel. To monetize the second one becomes easier. To monetize the third one becomes more easier, okay? Because why? They have made their mistakes, they have learned from it, and now they are using all the experience they have on their most recent channel. So now, this particular faceless channel I am working with or I'm working on is, it amazes me because what I did, I made sure that before we posted the first video, all the optimizations were done with the right description for the channel, the right tags, the right categories. I made sure that everything was set up properly before the first video was uploaded. And what is important to take note of, even if you set up your channel for success, the right keywords are there, the right everything is there, and you are not creating valuable content with a good quality, it might still not work. But when you set up your channel properly and then you also do the right thing with your videos, make sure that you have optimized titles, optimized description, make sure the right hashtags are in the description, make sure the content is valuable, you will see the growth almost immediately. Because why am I saying this? This particular faceless channel was created like in September. Then the first video was posted maybe somewhere around October or ending of September. And with just like 30 subscribers, the second video we posted on that channel already had over 300 views. 300 views. And with the audience coming from USA and all those top countries. So I'm thinking that, okay, channel optimization is really very important. And this is something that a lot of newbies on YouTube sleep on. They are not even aware of it because I was once there. I had no idea as well that there was anything like optimizing your channel. Okay. But it is something that is important. And some people who are new on YouTube, they don't know their way around these things. And normally, when you have a channel with 30 subscribers, for example, already having 300 views, 100 view plus, it clearly shows that people viewing the video, the content, are more than the actual subscribers. Okay, so that is a very good sign that the channel is doing well. All right, so if you have a channel and you see that you are getting more views than your actual subscriber count, relax yourself and keep up the good work because that's a great sign that your video is doing well, especially if you know that you are not engaging on sub for sub or sharing your links to random groups for them to help you watch your video, and you are seeing views coming just by you uploading your video. People are viewing your content and your subscribers is not even up to 50 subscribers and you are having like 100 views already, 200 views already. That is a good sign that you are doing something good. So all you just need to do is to double down your effort and stay consistent. Stay consistent. One thing I realize is that a lot of us we are so impatient. We are so impatient. We see creators who have been in the game for years. They created a new channel, and within 6 months, the channel picks up, already getting thousands of views. But you don't know how many channels this particular creator have created in their past, the experience they have, and everything that they are doing behind closed doors to get that result that they are getting. Now, you as a newbie, you are still trying to grow your very first channel. You start to look at those other creators that are ahead of you, and you don't appreciate your 100 views anymore. You don't appreciate your 200 views anymore. You don't appreciate your 50 views anymore, even though you have just 20 subscribers and you are getting 50 views. That's a good sign because your views are way higher than your subscribers. So that's a very strong indicator that your channel is actually doing well. So you should be encouraged and not give up. All right. So it's very important for you to understand that. So why did I decide to do this video? Is just to like show it out there for new creator. If you have not really taken optimizing your channel seriously, to start thinking about it. All right. If you are just thinking about creating a new channel now, make sure you go and set up your channel properly before you know, upload your very first video. Or if you are already creating content in your channel and you know that you have not yet done the proper settings for your channel, you have not yet optimized it, you can still do that. Make sure you set the right category, make sure your niche is defined, know exactly your audience that you are targeting. Make sure the proper settings are turned on or turned off. All right. And setting up your channel properly also includes your banner, your channel logo, if you are a faceless channel, or your profile picture. Okay. Your channel banner is very important. Your channel description is another part of setting up your channel. You have to make sure your channel description is set up properly with the right keywords, with the right description of what that channel is about. Very, very crucial. All right. If you want to start off your channel and present it already as a professional channel, then you need to make sure that these things are put in place: a good channel banner, a description, the right category, and many other things that needs to be set up in your channel before you upload your first video. Or even if you've already uploaded a few videos, you can still do that setting. So I am now offering a service where I help new creators set up their channels and making sure that everything is set up properly to set up your channel for success. All right. And I am not doing this service for free because in the past I've helped a lot of people without charging anything. But for this particular service and a lot of other services I have been rendering behind closed doors that I'm yet to make official here. So I'm going to be charging a small fee. It's affordable because I know that the country is hard. Everywhere is hard. So it's just because I want everybody to be accountable. Because if you reach out to me and I know you have paid me something to do that for you, I will take it seriously and I'll do it and deliver in time. Also, in turn, because you are paying something for it, you also will take it seriously and pay attention to details. All right. So if you're interested, you can hit me up. You can find my email address in the description box, or drop a comment in this video that you are interested, or reach me via my WhatsApp community. I'm here and available for you. So if you are new here, welcome to this channel. I am Angela, the face behind this channel, and I am always happy to bring you updates and tips, strategies, anything that can help you grow your channel faster. Because I have made the mistakes, I don't want you to make the same mistakes. So if you can avoid a lot of mistakes, like this setting up of channel now, if you can avoid that mistake, you are already 5 steps, 10 steps ahead of growing your channel faster. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and let me know in the comment section what you think. Have you set up your channel? Yes or no? Until next time, bye bye for now.